In a world where animals were known for their distinct characteristics, there lived a peculiar creature, the platypus, a creature unlike any other. The platypus possessed a unique blend of traits. It was a mammal, yet it laid eggs. It had a duck-like bill, webbed feet, and a beaver-like tail. It was a mystery, a paradox that baffled the nearby forest. One day, a young explorer named Eli set out to unravel the platypus riddle. He spent days and nights studying the platypus, yet he found no answers. Eli was frustrated and disheartened, ready to give up. But then, he had an epiphany. He realized that the platypus was not a riddle to be solved, but a testament to the boundless creativity of nature. Eli understood that the platypus was a symbol of diversity, of the beauty that lies in the unexpected. It was a reminder that sometimes, the most extraordinary things are those that defy logic and convention. From that day forth, Eli cherished the platypus, not as a mystery to be solved, but as a wonder to be admired. And so, the platypus continued to thrive, a living enigma, a testament to the wonders of the natural world.